We are on this kayak. Got the rods, got the reels, got the motor, my dry bag. Gonna work our way over that way through those two little islands and cut around that side. More fish. And there's monkeys in the trees. Got the little 1000 on the ultralight setup. The Relic, the Shimano 1000, little neck save. 16-pound braid. Running 30-pound leader and a 5.5 minnow, and we keep casting. Oh wait, there we go. Fish on. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. See if we can't get it in. Trying to take me around those rocks. Oh, it's a really good fish. Try to tire it out. I don't want to put too much drag on it. Aye, gone. Aye. It was a bluefin Trevally and I lost it. Hey, Sean. Barracuda. Got one. We got a little Barracuda on the 40-gram jig. We got a good one. Tasty, tasty. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.